Hello, in front of me I've got Android smartphone. In this video I'll show you how to enable quick tap on any Android smartphone that supports this function. Thanks to quick tap, you can assign functions to double tapping or single tap on the back of your smartphone. In order to do it, let's go to settings and next go to gestures. Go to quick tap to start actions, enable this function. Now select function. You can select take screenshot, access digital assistant, play or pause media, see recent apps, show notification, toggle flashlight or open app. For example, take screenshot. If you've got case, you can also disable or require stronger taps. See? If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.